Rachel, put your heels down.
Rachel, your toes are down. Put your toes up and your heels down. That's it. Good job. Okay, Logan. This is going to be cool. Cash is being very good. Okay. Right here. Put your leg over the top.
Come on. Scoot your booty. There you go.
How's that?
Good. You feel better?
Rachel.
Are you right in the middle, or do you feel you need to scoot over some more? There you go. That's better. Okay.
Stop your horses.
Line them up.
Turn them around.